Good morning, children. In this video we will further learn about what is the relationship of between the areas of two similar triangles. So before going into that, we will have to see what is the relationship between the altitudes of two triangles, two similar triangles. So let us say these are two similar triangles, which are in the ratio 3:1, 3:2, let us say, which are in the ratio 3:2. That is, if this is 3x, this will be 2x. So now what will be the ratio of the altitudes? If you see, we can see that these small triangles A, B, C, this is D, this is E, F, G and H. Now the two small right angle triangles, they are also similar. You can see that. Why? Because this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and these two angles are equal. They are already similar triangles. Therefore, it becomes ABD will be similar to AFH. ABD will be similar to AFH. That means AD and EH ratio will be equal to AB by EF. AE by EF, which is 3:2. So what I am telling is, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG. This is similar. Triangle ABC and triangle EFG are similar. This is given. Then AD and EF, AD and EH are the altitudes. Now what I am telling is, ABD triangle A. Therefore, so this is given. This is the given, and AD is perpendicular to BC and EH is perpendicular to FG. These two are altitude, it is given. Now I have to prove that these two triangles, what is the ratio of these two, I am going to find out. Let us say, first let me go to the proof part. I am telling triangle ABD, angle D is equal to angle H is equal to 90. Angle D is equal to angle H is equal to 90. Angle B is equal to angle F. Because in similar triangles, angles are equal. In similar triangles, corresponding angles are equal. So therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle EFH by angle similarity. Triangle ABD is similar to EFH. Therefore, it becomes AB by EF is equal to AD by EH. Because in similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. Now what is AB by EF? This is already 3:2. Therefore, AD by EH is also 3:2. So this is equal to 3:2. So altitudes will also be of the same ratio. We have understood this. I hope you understood. So in similar triangles, altitudes will also be in the same ratio as the sides. So that is our first conclusion. That is, what is our conclusion? In similar triangles, the altitudes the ratio of altitudes will also be equal to the ratio of the sides. The ratio of the altitudes equals to the is equal to the ratio of the sides. Ratio of the sides. That is, these altitudes are also proportional, we can say. The ratio of the altitudes is also equal to the size. That is, H1 by H2 will be equal to AB by EF. This is the side ratio. In this case, I have taken an example of 3 by 2. So H1 by H2 will also be 3:2. 3:2. So I hope you understood this. Now we will look at what is the this thing, ratio of the areas. First we found out that. Second part now, what is this thing, ratio of the areas. Now area of ABC, this is now, so this is 3x, this is 2x, and this is 3y, and this is 2y. This is 2y. So area ABC is equal to half into B1 into H1. Half into B1 into H1. And area DEF, I mean EFG. Area AFG is equal to half into B2 into H2. Half into B2 into H2. So what is this actually? This is actually half into 3x into 3y. This is half into 3y into 2x into 2y. 2x into 2y. So, which comes to, now I will find the ratio of this. Area of ABC divided by area EFG. EFG is equal to half into 3x into 3y divided by half into 2x into 2y. So now half and half will get cancelled, x and x will get cancelled, y and y will get cancelled. So it will become 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 2 whole square. So ratio of area will be equal to square of the sides ratio. The area of the two triangles, the ratio of the area of the two triangles will be equal to square of the sides ratio. If the sides are in the ratio 3:2, the areas will be in the ratio of 3 square is to 2 square. I hope you understood this. So what we have understood is, in case of similar triangles, the altitudes will be equal, the ratio of the altitude will be equal to the side ratio, and the ratio of the areas will be equal to the square of the side ratio. I hope you understood this. We will do an example of this. Once again I will write. So in these cases, H1 by H2 is equal to AB by EF. That is ratio of the sides. Whereas A1 by A2 is equal to AB by EF whole square. This is what you have to remember. I have taken an example in this as an example of 3:2, but in some other example it will be some other number. But this you can remember. So altitudes will be in the ratio of the sides. Areas will be in the ratio, square of the ratio of the sides. This is ratio of the sides. This is square of the ratio of the sides. So I hope you understood this. This is only in case of two similar triangles. So how to understand this? we can understand it like this. This is let us say one triangle, and this is another triangle. This is ABC and this is DEF. So let us say this is in the ratio 5:3. 5:3. Now this is AM and DN. Let us say DN. This is the altitudes. Now if I want to know AM by DN, AM by DN will be equal to AB by DE, which is equal to 3/2. It will be the side ratio 5/3. 5/3. And area ABC by area DEF will be equal to square of this ratio, AB by DE whole square, which will be square of this 5/3 square, which is 25:9, which ratio in ratio form you have to write, which is 25:9. I hope you understood. If I am talking about altitude, it is in the same as the side ratio. If I am talking about the area of the two triangles, they are in the ratio of the squares of the sides. I hope it's clear. We will do an example, then I think it should become clear. This is another application of similarity. This is one thing. Also another thing you have to understand. Let us say now this is a triangle, and this is the midpoint. I will draw it slightly in a different way. Now this D is the midpoint of this. Now this is not pertaining to similarity, but you can understand that both the triangles are having same altitude. This triangle, altitude of this triangle and altitude of this triangle are same. These bases are equal. So this I will call it as it is altitude of this is same. Both the triangle is same. So now area ABD is equal to half into BD into H. And area ADC is equal to half into DC into H. And BD and DC are equal. So you can see that I can replace it as BD. Therefore both the areas are equal. Therefore area ABD is equal to area ADC. Area ABD and area ADC are equal. So what is the conclusion? Median divides the triangle into two triangles of equal area. That is the conclusion. So these two areas will be equal. So the conclusion is this. In a triangle, median divides the triangle into, this is not related to similarity, but still it will become helpful. Median divides the triangle into two triangles of equal area. Two triangles of equal area. If this is 9 centimeter square, this will also be 9 centimeter square. So I hope you understood this. Now we will do one example and then we'll stop. What is given is DE is parallel to BC. It is given. And then we have to prove that ADE is parallel similar to the big triangle. First part is we have to prove that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. This is easy, this you know easily. Let us do this proof first. Angle D is equal to angle B, corresponding angles. angle E is equal to angle C. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by angle-angle similarity. By angle-angle similarity. So this is the first part of the proof. So this we have done, let us say. Then the second part is if AD is equal to half, if AD is equal to half BD, AD is equal to half BD and BE is 4.5. BC is 4.5. BC is 4.5 centimeter. What is DE? You have to find DE. This is the second part of the question. Now AD is half of BD. Half of BD means this is 2 means this is 1. So if this is 2x, this is 1x. If this is 2x, 1x. So what is the proof? AD is half BD. That is BD is 2x and AD is 1x. AD is 1x, which means AB is 3x. This is the meaning. BD is 2x, AD is 1x and AB is 3x. That is the meaning of that. So the two triangles are in the ratio 1:3. 1:3. Therefore, now BC is 4.5, DE we have to find out. So BC by DE will be 3:1. 3:1. This is equal to 4.5. 4.5. This is 4.5. This is x. So we have to find out this. Yeah, this is DE. BC by DE is equal to 4.5 by DE is equal to this one. So 3 DE is equal to 4.5. So DE is 1.5. DE is 1.5 centimeter. So if this is 4.5, this will be 1.5. So that much is clear. 1.5 centimeter. So we have understood this part, second part. Now the third part. Third part is the area part. That is we have to find the ratio or area of ADE by area ABC. We have to find out this. Now we know that just now we learned that in similar triangles the area ratio is equal to the square ratio of the sides. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Already we have proved it. Therefore, area ADE by area ABC is equal to AD by AB whole square, AD by AB whole square, which is equal to 1 by 3 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 9 or 1:9. 1:9. I hope you understand this. When two triangles are similar, the areas are in the ratio of the square of the sides. So AD by AB, which is 1:9. So if triangle ADE, I am taking it as 1x. So next is this much. I hope you understood. Next part is we have to find the area of ratio of one more part is there. Area ADE divided by area BCED, which is a trapezium. BCED is a trapezium. We have to find out this, not the entire triangle. So how is that? So you know that area ADE is equal to 1x. If this is 1x, area ABC is 9x, because they are in the ratio 1:9. Therefore, area BCDE is equal to 8x, because this is 1x, this total is 9x, so this will be 8x. Therefore, area ADE upon area BCDE is equal to 1/8 or 1:8. 1:8. I hope you understood. So we have applied the area concept also in this and the similarity concept. I hope you understood. This kind of problems come in the board, so please pay attention and learn. Thank you very much for watching this video.